Hello, my name is Wen Zhai. Let me share with you today how to set up a Gmail module on Make.com. Now let's create a new scenario. Add the new Gmail module. We choose send an email. Select create a collection. Now we discover our mistake. Let's reset it step by step. We open google.com. Open Google Cloud Console. We create a new project. We name it Make123. Select create. We choose this project. We select API and service, then select library. We select the API of Google Drive to be available. We set API of Gmail, make it available. We create a new client. Let's get started now. We name it Make123. Select this. Pass next, then we select external. Next. Create. Select branding. Add domain. Enter gourmet.com. We save it. We set the audience. We add the user. We open Google Drive. Let's open a Google Doc which let me link app. We copy this email. We press save. We select data access. We copy these two links, then add this to the scopes. Now we update it. Let's set up the client again. We are now creating a new client. Select web application. We'll use the default name. Now we add an authorized URL. We create. Now it's done. We will now copy the key and ID of this client. It's okay now. Let's go back to this level. We copy the key and ID of this client. Then paste it. Let's within again. Continue. 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 The link is now successful. We send an email. I send an email to myself. You can check it. Let's save it. We're gonna run this Gmail module. It's up and running now. Let's check our mailbox again. We have already received it, and this is the Gmail module that we just set up. Email sent to yourself. Everyone sets up the Gmail module. Just follow what I just did. The same is true for setting up the email module. That's it for today's sharing. See you next time.